Cloves are small dried flower buds from an evergreen tree that have a distinct taste. Cloves can be used whole or ground. People often include ground cloves in spice mixes and whole cloves in recipes to add depth and flavor to a wide variety of foods. These small dark brown pods are used to spice up curries, season meats, and even flavor spiced baked goods. They also provide some impressive health benefits. Number 1. May fight inflammation. Clove also fights inflammation of the mouth and throat. In a study, clove oil could help ease the inflammation associated with plaque and gingivitis. The eugenol in cloves lowered pro-inflammatory cytokines in animal studies. Hence, it could help treat inflammation associated with arthritis in humans. Number 2. Improves oral health. The eugenol in clove is believed to provide relief from tooth pain. The substance is an anesthetic and has antibacterial properties, and this may help you deal with the pain. One simple way to get rid of toothache is to place a few whole cloves in your mouth and moisten them with your saliva. You can crush the cloves with your teeth. The oil that is released fights the pain. You can use a whole clove for 30 minutes before discarding it and repeating the process with the new one. Number 3. Aids digestion. Proper digestion is essential for the breakdown of food into nutrients. Our body uses these nutrients for energy growth and cell repair. If the food does not break down into smaller molecules, it hinders the absorption of nutrients by the blood. Number 4. May increase testosterone levels. Cloves boost testicular function, which increases testosterone levels. They also enhance fertility since they increase the blood flow and body temperature. They stimulate energy and nerve function and relieve stress and anxiety. It prevents quick ejaculation and erectile dysfunction. They help support a good intimate life. Number 5. Controls diabetes. Cloves have antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties. They help to keep your blood sugar levels in check. They also promote the process of insulin production for better diabetic control. According to research, clove and fermented ginger supplements have anti-diabetic properties, especially in patients with type 2 diabetes. Number 6. Improves liver function. Cloves may also promote better liver function. Some trials have shown that the eugenol found in cloves can help reduce signs of liver cirrhosis and fatty liver disease. It may also improve general liver function. Number 7. May improve respiratory health. This property is especially true for clove oil. The oil can be used for treating asthma. The oil soothes the respiratory tract and also has an anti-inflammatory effect. Supplementation with clove oil was found to prevent bacteria from forming colonies in the lungs. You can massage the oil into your chest, sinuses, and the bridge of your nose. Prevents cancer. To stay protected from cancer, eat more cloves, as the eugenol in clove possesses strong anticarcinogenic properties and helps control lung cancer, breast cancer, and ovarian cancer at its early stages. How to use cloves. Cloves are dried flowers, so they can be found all year long in spice shops, grocery stores, and health food stores nationwide. Cloves can be used to make tea and as flavor agents in different recipes, cookies, and gingerbread preparations. You can make clove tea if you're interested in getting a stronger dose of cloves.